So in the previous devlog, we implemented the ability to just pass an empty class. In this one, I'm starting to pass the body of the class. So the first thing to do is pass class level variables like static variables and field variables that we declare at the top of the class. So that's what I'm kind of adding here in my example code. And this compile class var_dec method is meant for doing just that. It's going to pass the class variables. And I got it working for field variables. Now I'm trying to do the same for static variables because I kind of need to handle both of these in the same parser step. And here I'm trying to see what's the best method to handle errors in this. So, and I decided to go ahead with this OK bool pattern that Odin usually follows. Like if there's a problem, you will like return a false value for the last, like the second return value. That's kind of like a pattern that Odin follows in some of the code bases. Like this is also similar to how Go handle errors. So I decided to add that to my methods, and like I'm going to add that all over all the methods that I use in this parsing process, so that I have like a unified way of handling errors. And I decided to turn off variable decoration parsing for repeat to get this new way of handling errors working, so that I can first make sure that it works with what I had before, and then I can later on start working with variable decorations parsing once I get this working properly. By the way, if you're interested in watching more full-length videos, you can check out my watch playlist. I will add a link to that playlist in the description. So here I'm adding the same OK bool convention to the compile var class dec method itself, and then from the method calls inside that I'm going to use oReturn, which is like which checks the second, like the last return value of whatever it's been called, and like if it's false, it will do a return with the values of what you got from there. Here, as you can see, I'm trying to add the ability to pass comma separated variables. So it will say something like field int then foo bar bash kind of thing. Like you can have comma separated variables declared in one line. So that's what I'm trying to do in this section.